Next, we move on to smart objects. With Photoshop CC 2020, Adobe has added the ability to convert the smart object back to the layers, alright? And then again, if you want to have smart filters applied to these layers or not is completely your choice. So earlier, there were multiple steps involved. You had to open a smart object in a new document and then move the layers back to the original or the source document, alright? It was a long workflow, long process. Now it is much simplified. Let me show you how. So over here, you can see we have the layers panel over here. So I'm just going to hold down the shift key. Let me just unlock this one first. And let me just select these layers. And I'm going to right click these layers. And from right click context menu, I'm going to convert them to a smart object. Alright. So you can see the layers have now been converted to a smart object. If I double click the smart object, it will open in a new document. And in the new document, I have access to all the layers. Now, if I wanted to move these layers back or get these layers back over here, the only way of doing it was to double click the smart object to open it as a new document in a new tab or a new window, and then paste these layers or move these layers back to the source document over here. But with, let me just go ahead and close this for now. But with Photoshop CC 2020, now we have the ability to move these back to the layers, alright? It would create a layer group, smart object layer group, and move the layers in that layer group. Let me show you how that works. I'm going to right click this smart object layer, and from here you can see we have few options over here, alright? Some of these are new. I can convert the smart object to layers, alright? We can also get this option by going to the layer menu on top, and from there go to the smart objects, and from the smart objects menu you will find the option over here as well, alright? So convert to layers. Let's see, I think we also have the option in the properties panel for this. We can convert it to different layers, alright? So we have the option to convert to layers here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do it, and you can see Photoshop has created a group, basically a folder for the smart object, and from this folder all the layers are there completely intact and all their glory, alright? So amazing feature, a lot of time saver, a big time saver for people who are completely working in smart objects. And mind you, smart object is the way of working in Photoshop, has been the best suggested practice for quite some time now. It's non-destructive way of working. You do not harm your pixels when you're working in smart objects. So I cannot emphasize enough on using smart objects in your designs or in your photographs. Hello friends, if you really like this segment, then please don't forget to share, comment, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, you can click the bell icon right below this video to be notified about our new tutorials, best practices, tips and tricks as and when we share them. And yes, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest on the links provided below this video. Thank you.